Ladies and gentlemen, meine Damen und Herren, willkommen. Welcome to Ultimate Admiral Dreadnoughts. And yes, I'm not gonna try to say that in German. I wouldn't even know how to say it. So yes, a new campaign. In celebration! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What the hell, guys? 500 people subscribe to me? Seriously? What the hell? Cheers, guys. I truly do appreciate it. Never expected that that would happen. You know, when I started this, I started this channel a bit as a, well, a failed bet. It's as simple as that. And I was like, you know, if I can get 25 people to join, to subscribe, I would have reached my limits. But yeah, wow, it has grown so much more, and I truly do enjoy it. I appreciate it. I really enjoy if the people, you know, leave comments, talk about the fun things, the bad things, the horrible things, the fun things that I do. Truly enjoyable. So yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Increase tension with the USA while we're at it, because increasing tension is awesome. Okay, we got hull construction 8 months. Oh, we can get that to 2 months. 1 month for a new light cruiser. What do we get? Light cruiser 3. Okay, so I better not get cruisers built just about now. Yeah, let's not. I'm gonna design a couple of battleships. No. Oh god, no. No. Maybe? Maybe. Let's see what we can do, right? Let's make these girls as big as possible. In this regard. We got no barbettes. We got... Ooh, is that a Mark II? No. Of course not. I guess we're gonna deploy 10-inch guns. Can we get 3? Maybe. Secondary tower. And instead of one big funnel, we should get 2 smaller ones. There we go. 3 heavy guns, casemate guns. I am willing to bet we can add a couple of 4-inchers here. And some 2-inchers. Okay. We have a slight 4 weight offset. I'm not sure why. I blame the bloody funnels. That's okay, though. We can get it enhanced. Okay, fair. Let's get a 5-inch main deck. 3, 8, 8, 3. All right. 5, 2. 9. Slightly overweight, but we can fix that. Let's go with an 8-inch conning tower. Let's drop you to 4. drop you to 1. And balance her out. There we go. The guns itself, 10.2-inch main guns. Plus 2% barrel increase on the 2-inchers. Hurrah! And we have ourselves a little battleship. Okay. The Markgraf. The Markgraf is supported. Let's see, we got armored cruisers and coastal defense ships. Let's start off with an armored cruiser or 2. What's your maximum displacement? 4,000 tons. Can we go to 18 knots? And I did not check the speed on this guy. 13, yeah, okay, you're slow. Honestly, I don't mind you being slow. These are just starting ships. I don't expect to use you for long. Let's go with 8-inch. Pardon me, I needed the casemate guns. Can you still fire? Yes, you can. 2-inch casemates, negative. 4-inch, negative. Secondary guns. Can I get a 3-incher up there? Yes, I can. Can I get a 4-incher up there? Probably. Hurrah! The Comet. A little German warship. 6-inch main belts. Deck. Okay. 4 weight offset, so let's increase the aft belt a tiny whiny bit. There we go. Heavy cruiser done. The Comet and the Markgraf. These will be the only ships I will have in service at the start of the game. The weak Germany. 2 Markgrafs. 10 Comets. Start the campaign. 12 ships. That's all I have. Next turn, we'll get, well, not what I hoped we would get. There we go. We get better light cruiser designs. So let's hit it. Sea Straits became active. Let's see, who are we at? Can we go at war with? Britain and France as well. So, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. United Kingdom has to go. Research, cruiser design, done. Okay, focus on engine tech next. So, ship design, new design. We have light cruisers that can go up to 4,000 tons. 3,500. And that can do 21 knots. Tower. Tower. Ooh, we got fin funnels. We can only fit in 2. Okay, let's go back to 20 knots. 19 maybe? 19 knots gives us acceptable engine efficiency. Because there is not much else we can do right now. 2-inch main belt, please. Let's get some 5-inch guns on this little girl. Casemate guns, 3-inchers, thank you. We have an aft weight and we have a starboard offset. How the hell do we have a starboard offset? You get placed. You get placed. Oh, hold on. Yeah, you're there as well. Ah, there you are. You're the problem. There. Okay. Barbad's 1, because... why not? It does help. Let's get a citadel in as well. And if I go to compound armor, indeed, we can get away with that. Standard crew quarters, please. Maximum range. Can I get a 1-inch main belt? Main deck, pardon me. Yes, I can. Alright. Light cruiser. Let's start producing you. For the glory of the German Empire. Let's start off by building 12. How's that looking? Yeah. Let's get another 10. And we can't really afford that financially. So let's drop down to 75%. Mexico. Increase tension with the USA. Finances, bring the research down to 69. Yes, 69 is good. Talking about research, 1 month for the construction tech. That is very useful. Hitting relations hard. United Kingdom. Annoy them. Thank you. Focus on small gun tech. Talking about tech, we're losing 3.5 million. Yeah, we can take that 1 more month. Yeah, don't care. Let's see, increase tensions with the British. Research, small guns, engines 4 months, finances. Okay, I'm gonna bring you down a bit now. Relations with the British going down quickly. USA, increased tension, yes. Whoops, we're at the minus. Yeah, thank you. Plus unrest, ignore question. Sure. Losing some money is fine. Mexico wants another battleship? No. Gonna say no to that. One more turn. Let's check it out. Mexico, no, you're not getting more battleships from me, man. 2 months. Add crew. Research. We got the engine tech. Check. Small gun tech. Mark II 2-inch guns. Well, that's not gonna help me. 7-inch casemates do not interest me. Let's focus on range finding tech. 1 month. And light cruisers done. Research. Let's focus on a destroyer / gunboat tech as well. Torpedo boats, politics, Britain, increased tension, yes. Ship design, new design. Torpedo boats, up to 300 tons. 22 knots, maximum range. I would like 3-inch guns on this ship. and 2 torpedoes. Bit of a 4-weight offset. Let's see if we can fix that somehow. Ooh, that was easier fixed than I expected. Let's get an extra gun in. Torpedo boats, of course, cannot have any armor. Look at that. Let's go with heavy shells. Increase ammo. Max HE shells is fine. Go with base fused shells. We are ready to go on this little girl. 22 knots. Decent enough torpedo boat. In terms of finances, this is a-okay. Let's just take the monetary hit. We can afford it for a while. And we did not quite get into a war with the United Kingdom, but we're gonna get there pretty damn soon. And the 3-inch Mark III guns are coming up. Mark II guns. Excellent. Skip ahead 1 turn. Politics, Britain, increased tension. Yes, we are playing, of course, on legendary difficulty. And yeah, we are gonna suffer, my friends. We are gonna suffer here. Because we are at war pretty soon and we have no fleet. We have no fleet at all. Look at that. The Brits are gonna outgun me massively. Fun times, right? Fun times. 4 months till the torpedo boats are done. So we have to survive 3 months without them. Ladies and gentlemen. Blitzkrieg. However, a blitzkrieg without a fleet. Without a big fleet. The Emden fleet will be the first to strike at the enemy. Let's go. The rest of the fleets will hold position. I will have extra finances, so boost that up. That also means more light cruisers. Let's order 6 more. And you know what? Let's build a Markgraf as well. Finances, yeah, okay. There we go. Come on, Brits. Yeah, victims are inevitable. As we engage Warspite. After 20 minutes of preparing. Knots, please. In fact, slow down to 13 knots. 2nd Division, full turn. Battleship Markgraf, full turn. Let's get our 10-inch guns to bear. Enemy ship is on low fuel. Oh, wow. And they're ripping apart the callback because she is too close to the Markgraf. 1700 damage. Yeah, she's done for. Oh, this sucks. But it's my own stupid mistake. Somewhat overconfident of my cruisers here. Callback, move. Markgraf, turn. Come on, you're gonna get callback killed. Oh, you muffin hat. Oh, Groudens is safe. Our cruisers turn around, please. Go back. Come on. Hit that torpedo boat. Bring her down. There we go. Yeah. Over here, please. Fort 6, you may retreat. Second enemy torpedo boat going down. We might be able to save Kolbach. Heavy damage to Avon. Avon is going down. Avon. Yes! That means Kolbach will be saved. Wunderbar. Focus fire on the light cruiser, please. Markgraaf on the Warspite. Stier on the Pearl. Gordons on the Pearl, please. You guys lay a smoke screen and slowly close the distance. Enemy has 2-inch guns. Enemy has short torpedo range. Come on. We don't need no rangefinders. Ooh, a very good hit on the cruiser Warspite there. Not quite sure who is still targeting her, but good hit. Division 2, Division 1, join up with Division 2. Why are you doing it like this? Stier, detach. Stier, rejoin. Blocked hit on the enemy light cruiser. That's annoying. Markgraaf, let's zoom in on you. In some ways, it is a pretty cool pre-Dreadnought, isn't it? I do like her. I would like her to hit as well, though. Come on, Stier. Ariadne is slowly closing in. Ariadne, of course, has a large battery of 5-inch guns that she can and will bring to bear on these last 2 enemy vessels. As we score a hit on an enemy main gun and damage it. And a flooding hit. Oh, Pearl is done for now. Let's take a look. She has many bulkheads. She can do 20 knots. That's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive indeed for this day and age. But the lack of bulkheads sealed her fate. And people ask me why I always go for maximum bulkheads. Well, that's why, folks. A single proper flooding hit and she is gone. Warspite. Let's take a look. Many bulkheads. We have 1 flooding hit on her. We are seeing 4, 5 compartments flooded. She's fighting it, though. She's fighting it. She will not die due to this. Oh, second flooding. And like half the ship is gone. And the entire ship is gone. Warspite neutralized. The first battle of the war. And we crashed the British. 552 British sailors died. Whew. The cruiser Grodens did 5k damage. Not bad. Not bad whatsoever. We're gonna lose a couple of transports during this war. I kinda have not defended my colonies. Kinda don't care about them a lot either. Gonna send out these ships to, you know, hunt British ships in this region. But like I said, the colonial gains here are just irrelevant for me this game. It is Europe that interests me. I'm not gonna pay much attention to Africa, as we have the heavy cruiser Herta against Pandora. I don't think I ever had a war that started this quickly. I like it. I like it a lot. As we engage our enemy, we know the enemy cruisers have like no armor whatsoever, so high explosive rounds, please. Our gun is turning to the right. So let's assist my gun by going in this direction, and the enemy scores the first hit. 13 knots, please, Herta. Now, I can't afford losing ships. I don't have a lot of them. So let's try not to get into torpedo range of this British warship. 2 4-inchers, a couple of 3-inchers, and my 8-inch guns. In theory, like I said, in theory, if I hit the enemy, I should be able to do a lot of damage, far more than they can do. Although they do have 6-inch guns. Don't underestimate them, they can hurt me. Can they hurt me? Yeah, they can hurt me. Ooh, and she sinks. 1 hit, 1 kill. Killed an enemy by doing 116 damage. Okay, so this first task force, Kolbach and Grans, need to go home to Emden. Let's see. Hamburg, Sperber and Lübeck will come in. Oh, 2 enemy battleships are on approach and some cruisers. Where did I see that battleship? Here. You 2 come in as well. Let's hope we can form up before the enemy fleet is upon us. Somehow I doubt it. Okay, we got the hull strengthening tech. Hull form resistance, that's pretty good. Cruiser tech coming up in 2 months. Fleet status, 3 months. 9 months for the light cruisers, 13 months for the extra battleship. There we go. I'm essentially trying to double my fleet numbers here with what I'm building right now. We have a meeting. That's not good. That can be anything. Okay, my fleet did join up before engaging the enemy. All right. The 500 blitzkrieg. There we go. Can we defeat this British fleet? If we can defeat this British fleet, we will do so much damage to the British Empire. Then the war will be won in the long run. If I get crushed in this engagement, yeah, then things will look bad for me. Alright, Division 3. Division 5, join Division 3. Division 6, join Division 3. Then on this side we have Division 4, Division 5, and Division 2. Join up, there we go. We have 2 light cruiser divisions ready to go. And then we have the 2 battleship divisions as well. Well, 1 battleship division. I would like my light cruisers to go 12 knots. Battleships, 12 knots. We have spotted the enemy. I would like to turn to the right. Sperber, start your turn as well. Light cruisers, tighten up formation. Light cruisers, tighten up formation. Battleships are doing okay. Let the enemy come. I will broadside. I will devastate them. At least that is my hope. Remember, I got no rangefinders. Neither have the AI. It is an equal fight in this regard. Sperber, slowly pull away. My battleships are opening fire. So are the heavy... Oh, that's a heavy cruiser. Yeah. Right. These are the moments I curse that I do not have torpedoes on my ships. Focus on the 2 enemy battleships, please. This division... Sperber, torpedo boat. Stier, whatever that is. Brummer, whatever that is. And Sperber, pull away. Increase to 17 knots on the entire division. Enemy scored a hit. I score my first hit as well. Ariadne, Hamburg, Lubeck, over there. Enemy torpedo boats are the greatest threat right now. Gotta eliminate those. Good hit, good hit. That is 1, maybe 2 torpedo boats gone already. In exchange, the enemy caused a single minor hit on me. Alright, let's check. Sperber, fire at, what, the mermaid? Yeah, the mermaid. Ariadne, fire over there, please, and keep formation. Talking about keeping formation, you guys may actually slow down again. 12 knots it was? 12 knots. Battleships, increase speed to 13 knots. We score a hit on enemy torpedo boat. That was Brummer. Well done, Brummer. Target the next one. Stier, target this light cruiser, please. Sperber, keep it up. Lubeck, would very much like you. Well, the enemy is not in torpedo range yet, so it's fine. Wisselbach, secondaries. Markgraf, secondaries. Do assist. He hits on the Brummer. But in exchange, we take down yet another torpedo boat. This division may increase to flank. Ariadne, target the Topaz. Lubeck, target Defiance. Hamburg, target the Lynx. Cruisers, keep fire at the torpedo boat, please, and kill it. Battleships, Starlings. Enemy battleship is very close. Would like you to kill it. Like, kill it, kill it. Okay, torpedo boat gone. The Stier took a hit. Enemy is too close. I'm going to turn my formations around. I'm going to increase all ships maximum speed. Battleships, come on, target to glory. This division, Bruma. Detach. Turn away. Maximum speed, please. Get away from that battleship, stop broadsiding it. This division, high explosive, Bruma, high explosive, please. Battleships, armor piercing rounds. We lost a gun. Rear turret on the Markgraf is gone. Oh, that sucks. Hamburg on Defiance, Lubeck. Yeah, fire there. Ariadne, fire there as well. Okay, cruisers are gaining distance, and the Glory actually took a flooding hit. Yeah, my 10-inch guns, short range, will make short work of a battleship like that. Come on, 1, maybe 2 more flooding hits will finish her. Damage to the main tower, Markgraf. Real shame that you lost a gun. With that gun, things might have been different. As yet another enemy torpedo boat sinks. Ooh, was that a flooding hit? It was, on the Glory. Glory, of course, is not down. She is struggling a bit, though. A torpedo boat goes down. Not quite sure which one there. Okay, yeah, found it. Hamburg lost an engine. That's not nice. Go back. Ariadne, turn. Okay, Hamburg, you need... Oh wait, your engine is back up. Excellent, excellent. The Glory is flooding. Cruisers, come about. Bruma, come about. Battleships. Damage to the main gun here as well. That is not nice of you. Baby shark sinks. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, shark, shark. No, wait. Sorry. Sorry, couldn't resist. Bruma, careful. Another flooding hit on the Glory. That is a 3rd flooding hit. We are doing some damage here against the Brits. But the enemies have just damaged the Markgraf. I'm gonna detach her from Wittelsbach. Malaya took a nasty flooding hit as well. Alright, cruisers. Let's turn back. You join the cruiser division again. Markgraf, stop. Yeah, that's good, that's good. Glory lost her rudder. And we score a flooding hit on Penguin. 5 times speed. Torpedo detonation on an enemy unknown cruiser. On Vindy. And it's highly likely that Vindy just sank. Schwaber, continue your turn. And you know what? Let's smoke you up for a bit. You're taking too much fire. It's the battleships that are supposed to take fire. Come on, sink that British battleship. I mean, even if we don't sink her, this is a victory for me. Let's be honest. Defiance, please. You target Dunny, Hamburg on Liverpool. Yeah, that's fine. And I want this division to slow down to 15 knots. Glory, look at that. Glory might be done for. Flooding hit. Are we gonna see the first death of a British battleship? I think we will. I think we will. Glory is down. 0, 0, yes! Alright, battleships. Target Malaya. Good luck. Happy hunting. Markgraf, what is your maximum speed? 9 knots. Ooh. Enemy light cruiser is done for. Alright, let's slowly turn my light cruisers away. Let's try not to get hit by accidental fire. Ooh, that was terrifying. Markgraf can't fire right now. That kind of sucks. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the battleships. Light cruisers, I'm gonna turn you in this direction. You guys... Yeah, like so. That's fine. Oh, if we can sink Malaya, that will be great. Oof. Spelba took a hit. Flooding hit on her bow. Probably a shot meant for Steer. Just keep turning. Destroy the secondary gun on Malaya, that's good. What did we knock out? A 3-incher. Not relevant. That flooding is relevant though, and Brumma took a hit as well, meant for the Markgraf. Ooh! That may be the end of my battleship fleet there. Good hit for Malaya, well done AI, well done AI. Yeah, frontal turret knocked out. Flooding amidships. Markgraf turn. Come on, cruisers. Fuck it, armor-piercing rounds. Try to breach that armor. Come on. Wow. At least that's a torpedo boat dead. Markgraf. Request permission to fire. Come on, come on, come on. Damage to a main gun. Flooding hits. Flooding hit in Malaya. That's good, that's good. Floatability, 30%. Ooh, Wisselbach took another hit. I may be losing a battleship here. That is not cool, mate. That is not cool. Come on. The thing is, the loss of a battleship for me is much worse than the loss of a British battleship for the AI. And I think, yeah, that was friendly fire. Thank you. Markgraf. I thought the Markgraf would be going down first, but nope. Come on. 7%. You need to sink her. 2%. Alright, enemy battleship gone. That is so huge. Now, new objective. Defend the bloody battleships from the enemy charge. Sucker. Torpedo inbound. Come about. Yeah, the torpedo will miss easily enough. Magrav, turn as well, away from the torpedo, thank you. I'm out of 2-inch shells. Okay, the Magrav dodged the torpedo as well. That is the first torpedo attack of this season. %, 9%, 10% floatability. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna lose a battleship here. Target what you can. Tell me, this torpedo boat still has a reload. Okay. Enemy cruiser neutralized. Enemy torpedo boat sinks. Flash fire on an enemy heavy cruiser. Cruiser Dublin sinks. Enemy torpedo boat neutralized. It's going well, but my battleship is slowly getting surrounded. Possible light cruiser. Yeah, light cruiser destroyed. Light cruiser destroyed. Target this light cruiser. Come on. And on this side, yeah, you're getting closer as well. Battleship, turn fire at this cruiser. We can still win without the loss of a battleship. But Pengi here needs to die, and it needs to die quickly. Shbaba, evasive maneuvers. Okay, this cruiser is done for. Is she done for? Is she done for? No. Yeah, now she should be. Alright, all fire on the Penguin. Get Pengi down. Ooh, Pengi is turning away just too early. Light cruiser destroyed. I mean, this guy is done for. She will break formation. No longer a main threat. Target here. Main guns, secondary guns. Go, go, go. I gotta save this battleship, man. Oh, this is intense. Come about. In fact, let's hit the reverse. Come on, sweetheart. Ugh! Battleship gone. And I'm glad that I'm building a new one. I barely dodged that torpedo. I knew the Penguin was a danger. Keep shooting her. Well, strategic victory, tactical defeat, I'd say. Considering the fleet numbers. Or well, maybe the other way around. Tactical victory. Yeah, tactical victory, strategic defeat. Be careful, because that cruiser is coming in. And she actually has fuel. Penguin sinks. Good. You guys focus on Diadem. You guys please blow up Iris. Okay, Iris is done for. Flash fire on her. Whee! Turret tossing! Nice. One enemy vessel remains. The loss of this battleship, though. I mean, it's not a great battleship, but still, it was a 10-inch gun platform. I would have liked to keep that in action for a while longer. Still, we sank 2 enemy battleships, right? Yeah. We did. We did. Wow, that got blocked. A flooding hit due to the 8-inch guns. Okay, okay, I see how it is. Margraf rudder is damaged now. Just keep running straight, that's fine. The other ships will deal with this Diadem. 18% chance to hit, that's not bad. In fact, that is a lot better than my ships. How come? No idea. Ouch. Don't do that. Could we please hit her? We're at like a kilometer, even less. Schwaber, I know this is gonna suck for you. Come on. Here we go. Engine damaged. She can no longer pursue our battleship. And a flooding hit. And a flooding hit. And a flooding hit. I believe she's done for. Goodbye, Diadem. You fought bravely. However, now you may rest. 94k damage done. 34 British ships destroyed for the loss, sadly, of 1 battleship. We crushed the British. Lubeck, 22k damage done. Yeah, light cruiser. Not bad, my friend, not bad. A lot better than my battleships. Yeah. Let's take a look at the overview. We can force demands on the British already. But I'm gonna fight to the end. I'm sorry, we're not done yet. Mexico wants a cruiser. Yes, sorry, I'd love to give you a cruiser, but we need the cruisers ourselves. This entire task force is now out of action. I am gonna want to send them to Hamburg, but is that smart? Yeah, that is smart. You go to Hamburg. Hamburg division is moving out. A cruiser from Wilhelmshaven. And can we send the cruiser Comet as well? Yeah, but that's a long way. Let's send some cruisers to Kiel. It's a light cruiser, so let's send to York as well, keeping 2 ships in the Baltics. So, my fleet is somewhat decimated. I did massive damage against the British, and look at that, the British are down to 40 ships. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I got 31, of course. And they still have 3 battleships, while I only have a single badly damaged battleship in service myself. However, in 2 months, my torpedo boats will come out. You guys, Kiel. 2nd Division, Wilhelmshaven. A small group in Emden. A small group in Bremen. One goes to the Marshall Islands. One goes to Togoland. 12 months for the new battleship. In 1 month, we'll get heavier cruisers, rangefinders, 8 months, rangefinders, 5 months, together with 13-inch Mark I guns. Okay, rangefinders and cruisers, that is the next step. That is for next episode. I thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys appreciate this hyper-aggressive episode as a thank you.